Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a reseller. I'm a part-time reseller. I resell things that I find at thrift stores, Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls at a very low price, and I flip them for a profit on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. This is how I make money selling things online. If you'd like to learn more about how you can resell, and this is my cat Luna, she's always here with me. If you'd like to learn how you can also make money selling things online, please consider subscribing to my channel. I always post videos about things that I picked up, and I also show you what sold for me, how much money I made. So if you'd like to learn more about reselling, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a Goodwill Outlet haul. The Goodwill Outlet is a place where you can shop by the pound. Everything is unsorted. Things are all mixed up in sizes, men's, women's, children's shoes. Everything is put together. So you flip through and you find things that you think are worth to resell, and then you put them in a cart and then you weigh and you pay by the pound. The bins I go to are the bins in New Hampshire. Goodwill Outlet is also known as the bins because of those blue bins where they put everything in. So I go to the one in New Hampshire because the one in Boston has been closed since COVID. So let's get into it and let's see what I found. So I found lots of children's items. I love buying children's items because they weigh very little, and sometimes depending on the brand and what the item is, you can resell them for a great amount. So I'm just going to show you what kind of items I found. The first thing I'm going to show you is this brand Petit Bateau, which is a French brand. It's very high quality, and to me it would be like J. Crew kind of style, preppy. And I already sold this dress. It sold in one day for $18. It's on top of the pile because it already sold. I already separated it and I'm going to ship it today. So another item that sold, it's from the same brand, and you see the tag here. I'm going to slow down because I see that I show the tags very fast. It's a wool blend cardigan, and it's a size 36 months, and it sold in one day as well for $25. Then I bought this tankini top. I like picking up tankini tops or any swimwear at the bins because they are lightweight, so they don't cost much. I have never heard of this brand. It's called Hapari. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. But it's listed already if you're interested. It's a size small. Then another children's item is this very cute, this seersucker dress with the lace detail here at the waist. The brand, I don't think it's anything special. It's just, I think it's sold at Amazon. It's called Pappagallo. It's a size 4, but I think this is so cute for summer and spring, so I decided to pick it up, and very lightweight too. Then I found more swimwear. This is just Victoria's Secrets, just a bandeau swim top. The size is a size 34A. And another one, I didn't find the bottoms for these, but it's okay. People like to use separates as well and mix and match. So another bandeau. This one has the string, the strap, and the other one doesn't. This one is also Victoria's Secrets. This one is a size small, very lightweight. Then I found swim bottoms. This one is my favorite brand. It's Patagonia. It's a size small. I don't expect much for these, maybe $15. Then I found a complete set for Victoria's Secrets, another bandeau. I think the same person, bando. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's a size small, and I believe the same person donated these swimsuits. So here is the bottoms. Then I found this pretty dress by Bonnie Jean. I think this is also sold at Amazon, but it's such a cute dress. It's a very nice spring Easter dress, but unfortunately I didn't find it before Easter. It's a size 12. Then more lightweight items. Just LL Bean fleece hat. I found 2 of them. They are the same size. They're size 12 to 24 months. Then I found a bunch of vintage bras. I know that some vintage bras can do very well, but I don't think this is going to be the case for the ones that I found. But they are so lightweight that I decided to take them all. Some of them have some condition issues. And some of them look brand new. This one has a little bit of a stain here, but it doesn't seem like it has ever been worn. It's still in very good condition, but it has a stain. So, and then I picked up another one that is the exact same style, but flawless, no stains. Then I picked up this that has a lace in front. Then this one that has this nice texture, and I picked up this one and one more. I picked them all up, and I have another one here. Then I picked up this very cute lace bralette. It has light padding and it has the underwire here. It's a size 36C, and it is by Marilyn Monroe. This brand is sold at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Then I picked up the Holy Grail. If you don't know, if you find a Polo Ralph Lauren sweater with a bear, it's a very sought after kind of sweater. And I found it, but it's a little guy. If you find the adult size, it's big money. But I still listed this at $50. It has some condition issues. It has some stains. I don't know if it's here. You can see here it has a little bit of stains and a little bit in the back, but I still listed at $50, and let's see how much I can get for it. Then I found this swimsuit right here. This is a very sought after style from Victoria's Secrets, but I think this is just a knockoff by Shade and Shore, which is sold at Target. But it's this scrunch bottoms right here. I sold 2 pairs from Victoria's Secrets before for around $25. Because this is not Victoria's Secrets, but the style is a knockoff of Victoria's Secrets, I think it's gonna do well, but I don't expect to sell it for $25, but maybe $10 to $15 for that. Then I picked up this Anco swimsuit. It is it's a plus size, it's a size 18W, and I believe this is reversible, but maybe I'm totally wrong because it does have the tag in the back, but the lining is a nice, very nice pattern. You know, it has this like sunglasses on it. I'm not sure if it's reversible or not. Then I found these Burton Mittens. Burton is an expensive ski and snowboarding gear brand, so they're in good shape. Then I picked up this vintage jumpsuit. It's a size 4, it's corduroy, and I do enjoy picking up some vintage even though I don't know much about them. But I enjoy some styles like this blouse, like that jumpsuit. Then I found another Hapari tankini top. This one has a very beautiful print, very tropical. It reminds me of Hawaii, and it's a size small as well. And I found a vintage, very cute Oshkosh, Big Osh corduroy overalls. It's a size 3 to 6 months. You can see here the tag that is true vintage. Then I picked up this hat. I believe it's wool, but it doesn't have a material tag. It only has the company here, which I did some research, but I didn't find anything on the company. I think it doesn't exist anymore. Maybe they went out of business, but it looks very well made. It has this detail here with the metal button accent. So It's lightweight as well. Then I picked up this H&M overall dress. It's so cute. I believe it's a size 4. It's a size 3 to 4. Then another vintage item, which is this Oshkosh denim dress. It is a size 4T. I believe they were all donated by the same person. Oh, another vintage bra. Let me see. It doesn't look good like this. Let me see if I can show it nicely. So that's the vintage bra. Oh, I found the bottoms. So it's a complete set. Anyway, it's a complete set. I had the top and I just found the bottoms. I don't know if I photographed them together. Hopefully I did. Then I found this pink Victoria's Secret. I think they're swim shorts, but I'm not sure. They are a size large. It says pink Victoria's Secret Ultimate. Do you guys know if these are swim shorts? Let me know in the comments if you do know. Then I found this item which has no tags whatsoever. I don't know the material, but it feels like 100% cotton. But I couldn't leave this behind. It's so cute, but I don't know the size yet. I measured it and I have to compare it to some kind of other overalls online. But it has clowns. I think, you know, maybe somebody that has like a clown birthday party can buy. The kid's gonna look so cute in them. I believe they're like 18 months. Then I found this Disney. I believe this is from the movie Descendants. It's just faux leather. It's pink with the gold hardware, and it is a size 6 or extra small. So this next brand is a brand that I only sold twice. Once I found it in the wild, and another time I bought it online to resell it. It's the brand Marimekko. This is just a children's rain jacket, but this brand is very sought after. Unfortunately, it has a little bit of a dinginess here in the hem, but the lining is really nice. It's just a little bit of a you know, just normal wear. If you just throw it in the wash, I think the stains will come off. And I found this very good, exciting piece from Patagonia. It is a snow bib. It's a size 3T, and this already sold. As soon as I listed it for $60 just because these retail for over $100, and the comps ranged from $60 to $30. So I listed it at $60, even though I know we are not in season anymore, but I'm okay to wait. It's a very small item. And then within 5 minutes, I got an offer for $10, and I said, no, thank you. I declined, which I usually don't decline offers. I usually count, but when it's so low like that, I just decline, just to send a message that you are not being reasonable, that I'm not gonna sell this to you for $10. Of course, if it was an item that I had for a long time and I saw no movement, maybe I would counter. But because I had just listed it and it's a very expensive brand and sought after, very, very sought after, I decided to just decline. Sold in 2 days for $45. So it's a very exciting sale. Don't skip children's items. Some children's items go for a lot of money. So that's it for my clothing haul. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.